How to transfer money from Acorns to PayPal. In this guide, we'll show you how to transfer money from your Acorns account to PayPal. While Acorns doesn't support direct transfers to PayPal, we'll walk you through the process of using a linked bank account as a bridge. Start by opening the Acorns app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. From the home screen or account dashboard, tap on either Transfer or Withdraw to begin moving funds out of Acorns. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw from your Acorns account. Double-check the figure to make sure it's correct before continuing. Next, choose your linked bank account as a destination for the funds. Acorns will transfer the money to this account. If you haven't already, open the PayPal app and make sure your bank account is linked. This will allow you to add funds from your bank into PayPal later. Wait for 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your bank account. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer is complete. And finally, open the PayPal app. Go to Add Money and select your bank account. Enter the amount you want to move in to your PayPal balance.